Guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Kelsey, and she writes, "Hi, my name is Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. I love your tutorials and I intend on using one of them for my wedding." That is awesome. However, I was hoping I could get help for a centerpiece. I'm doing a rustic Beauty and the Beast theme for my wedding. The theme colors are red, black, and silver. Thank you so much for your help. Well, Kelsey, I was so excited with the prospect of taking this very glam look of Beauty and the Beast and turning into an elegant, sophisticated, rustic look. And I think we hit the nail on the head. I hope you like our twist on the Beauty and the Beast theme as we create this rustic Beauty and the Beast centerpiece just for you. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's get started. To create our base, we're going to use an 8.5-inch candlestick and a 6-inch birch round. We're going to attach the birch round to the top of the candlestick using high heat hot glue. This is where you can make the plan your own. Now, if you like the natural wood look, by all means keep it. The centerpiece will be just as gorgeous. If you like to add a little bit more richness to the natural wood, I would suggest creating your own glaze by mixing. In this case, I mixed black with the brown and added water until it came to the consistency of a little thicker than a stain. If you would like, you can also use a stain if that's something that you're interested in. For me, I love the process of just creating a glaze for it because it's water soluble and it's just easier to work with than your stain. For this project, I'm going to add probably between 3 and 4 coats of this glaze, allowing the glaze to soak into the wood for at least 15 minutes in between coats. So, does it take a little time? Absolutely. But will it be worth the wait? Absolutely. So, just take your time. You can do this. Let's get to adding our glaze. This is exactly the look I was going for. It was actually 3 coats. I love it because you can still see the wood grain underneath the glaze. And I'm just going to continue that process at the top, but because there's so much texture, I want to make sure that my glaze is a little bit lighter at the top so you can see the texture of the birch wood round. Next, let's create our support for our magical Beauty and the Beast rose. Now, I want to give you an option. If you would like to add a lighted feature to this, you can. I've put the links in the description below. So I want to show you, I'm just going to cut out a little indentation for the light to stay in. Now, if you don't want the light, all you're going to do is simply fill it with moss at a later time. But if you would like to have that option of a lighted feature, go ahead and make sure you create an indentation in your 2-inch round before you go ahead and glue everything down. So we've attached our foam base right to the top of our candlestick, and we have our light where it should go. And now we're ready to attach our moss. Well, Kelsey, what do you think? I hope we met your vision. I can absolutely see this stunning centerpiece at your rustic wedding, just bringing a smile to everyone who's there to celebrate your special day. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. If you want to know the moment they're posted, click on that little notification button right there on their little bell, and you will get a special notification from us the moment our videos are up and running. We love to hear from you, so if you have a comment, please go ahead and put it in the comment section. It just brightens up our day to hear how we have helped you and to hear how you have been inspired. If you have a question, comment section is also there for that, so please ask us a question. I am the one who responds, MissPlanIt, not one of our team members. You will be hearing from me, so just be patient and you will get a response to your question. You can also follow us on our social media, and those platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Be sure to follow us on all our social media. If you have not subscribed to your Ebates rebate account yet, oh my gosh, you have to do it as soon as possible. It's absolutely free. Just head on down to the description, click on the Ebates rebate link, sign up for your Ebates account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. We use it and we want to pass on that savings right to you. Don't forget to check out our digital download store. It's an amazing opportunity for you to find products that will help you create the wedding of your dreams, the party or event of your dreams, or the project of your dreams. We right now are running a sale on several of our digital downloads. You have immediate access to them. You don't have to worry about shipping and handling. We pass on the savings directly to you. And I'm so excited for you to hang out with me on our MissPlanIt home channel that is on our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can just click on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you right over there if you would like to hang out with me as I create DIY projects at my home, as well as the home of my family and friends. It's just an awesome opportunity for you to share more of my love of DIY. So head on over there and hang out with me. Before I go, I want to remind you that all of the links to the project cost as well as supplies are in the description right below this video. Click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will have all the information right there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got the supplies. It's all there for your use. We just love hanging out with you. We appreciate you spending this time with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube. So thank you for that. And if we can help you out with the project, by all means, go down to the description, click on the project request tab, or head on over to our wonderful website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. Please, please, please do it sooner than later because we hate telling anyone no. So the sooner you put in your request, the more likely we are going to be able to pick you and help you. Don't forget also to check out our wonderful blog posts. We have so much that we want to share with you as far as DIY and savings on your wedding or party or an event, if now your home also. So we just want to make sure that you do not miss out on those opportunities. Head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. Check out those wonderful blog posts with all of that information that we put together just to help you create your wedding event and now home of your dreams. So I can't wait to hear what you think about MissPlanIt Home, and can't wait to hang out with you. So until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.